the first fully commercial 3D printed eye prosthetic in the world. Knoch 3D eye prosthetic already implement the prosthetic to more than 150 patients since 2019, combining the 3D technology such as 3D scan, 3D print, 3D design, and with human craftsmanship to bring us a fully customized eye prosthetic. The production process is relatively faster than the manual process. The fastest production record for a Knoch 3D eye prosthetic is 6 hours. Using a world-class biocompatible, inert, and certified material, together with experienced professional team from ocularists and 3D engineer with supervise from ophthalmologist doctors. The process of making 3D eye prosthetic is patented since 2019. With digital iris, the eye prosthetic is more realistic and natural, combined with the depth of pupil feature that cannot be found in the manual process prosthetic. For collaboration, please do not hesitate to contact us.